How to use the My Parcel Locker delivery system. Before you begin using the Parcel Locker, make sure you register for deliveries online. Simply go to mplocker.com and create your account, or register via the My Parcel Locker app, which you can download for free from your App Store or Play Store. During registration, you'll be asked to enter your verification code. This code can be found on a sticker adhered to the inside of your personal letterbox. Each resident in your unit uses this code to register their own individual account. Please do not remove the sticker, leave it adhered in this spot for future reference. If you are unable to locate your verification code, please contact your building manager or email support@myparcellocker.com. After registration is complete, you can begin having your parcels delivered straight into the Parcel Locker. Once the courier has delivered your package, you will automatically receive a notification with QR code link. Simply click on the link and scan the QR code at the Parcel Locker scanner. The door will automatically open and you can collect your parcel.